Institutional money and whales want your crypto, people. If you haven't noticed yet, there's been some minor to medium-sized shakeouts lately here since the retrace from what was the high, 42K. This is Briar's Bits, episode number 80, presented to you by Briar.io. Full video always in the Patreon up there. Check it out. Next group Zoom, 2 days, less than let's see. Actually, we're about 52 hours away from the next group Zoom. Join us. Let's do this. 3 stories today, but first we look at the market. Bitcoin down 2.73%, dipped below $30,000 briefly today and bounced off 29K again. $31,313 currently. Ethereum down 4.67%, $1,282.51 currently. Link down 6.63%, $21.42. And ALBT, which is now in the rotation here covered, is 71 cents and down 13.8%, but up 106% for the last 30 days and 1,142% for the last 90 days. Incredible run by ALBT. Cryptocurrency market cap, aggregate cap, $939,497,656, and Bitcoin dominance down from the high of this rally of 73%, down 11% now over the last couple weeks. Bitcoin dominance, I think, may have peaked during this cycle or already for this cycle. We'll have to wait and see. Quickly, the Federal Reserve announced today that it would keep U.S. interest rates close to zero and continue its $120 billion a month bond buying program from Nathan DiCamillo. At CoinDesk, the pace of the recovery in economic activity and employment has moderated in recent months. The committee said in a statement released after the meeting of the Federal Open Market Committee, FOMC, the path of the economy will depend significantly on the course of the virus, including progress on vaccinations. And it goes on to talk about a few other things here. Key target rate for federal funds to stay in a range of 0 to 0.25%. And the Fed plans to keep buying $80 billion of U.S. Treasury bonds and $40 billion of agency mortgage-backed securities every month. So yeah, that'll work in perpetuity for a long time. That'll definitely be good for the country. Second story is obvious here is we're getting further and further down the Bitcoin rabbit hole into this new paradigm. The Bank for International Settlements has said that investors must be cognizant that Bitcoin may well break down altogether. This is from BIS General Manager Augustin Carstens, who has not been a very friendly guy to Bitcoin. You can read that over at MSN Money. He has said in previous times that he's not a big Bitcoin fan. I think that sound money is central to our market economy, and it is central banks that are uniquely placed to provide this. Carson said if digital currencies are needed, central banks should be the ones to issue them. Yeah, central banks that create money out of debt. So they're going to print more money. And, said this before. And anybody who studies Austrian economics, real economic theory, know that pumping more paper money into the economy doesn't make a society richer. More paper chasing the same number of goods only creates inflation. It's pretty common. It's commonsensical. So, and the third story here, Ripple, $690,000 spent lobbying in 2020. You think they could spend a little bit more with all that money? Ripple Labs spent $690,000 lobbying the U.S. in 2020, but it still failed to save the company from a lawsuit from the Securities and Exchange Commission, the SEC. This is from CoinDesk or Cryptonomist Thao Dung. According to lobbying disclosures, Ripple's lobbying program has outpaced other companies in the crypto sector in 2020. In the meantime, cryptocurrency exchanges like Binance.us, Gemini, and Kraken do not report any spending for this. One of the largest exchanges in the world with more than 13.3 million users, Coinbase spent $230,000 lobbying during the same period. In early 2020, Ripple halted its internal lobbying team to shift contracts to professional law firms. The activities that Ripple sponsors are mainly aimed at laws before Congress, such as the Token Taxonomy Act and the Digital Commodity Exchange Act. And then it goes on. But yeah, another story here about Ripple, which has not really bounced back from the news and the delistings a few months, or about not even a month ago now, down 8.5% the last 30 days and only up 10.1% for the year. Obviously can't give financial advice, but Ripple slowly sliding down the market cap list here of projects, and I think we'll probably see Chainlink, like DOT has already, passed it up here in the coming weeks. So, yeah, that's today's episode. I hope everybody has a good Wednesday night. Don't forget the group Zoom Friday evening, patreon.com/RL Breyer. Join the group. Access to the newsletter every Sunday that I publish. 28 of those now. It's every weekend. Every Sunday I publish those. And then the group Zooms. Next one is Friday night. And then all these vlogs and articles and whatnot. And then the group Telegram, you get access to that. So join us. Everyone have a good Wednesday night.